Hello friends, welcome to my new videos. Today's video I will show you how to appeal on P2P. If your any order cancel on P2P and how to appeal on this order. Alright, you need to first open Binance mobile application. Alright, already open mobile application, then you need to go P2P market. You click here, trade, then click here P2P. Just click P2P, then open P2P market chart. You need to find your cancelled order there. Alright, you click just orders, then show all orders. You complete or not complete, all orders show here. Alright, you find your cancelled order. Look at this. This order has been cancelled. Look at this. Okay, you need to view cancelled order. First, then you need to go order chat box. Alright, open order chat box. Alright, then you need to click here three dot option. If you click three dot option, then open these short tabs. These short steps, just click here report. You click report, then open this tab. You click here, select report region, just click here, then show more option, just click here appeal or trading dispute. Alright, if you click appeal or trading dispute, this finally open this tab, click here raise appeal. If you click raise appeal, then open this tab. Look at this four option here, just click here I paid but order has been cancelled. If you click I paid but order has cancelled, finally open this tab. You need to click here appeal. Alright, open this tab. Just you need to type here short message. Alright, there you need to type short message. Me already paid this order but order has cancelled. And look at this plus icon, just click here and provide your payment screenshot or videos proof. Just click plus button, then select image video and provide your payment screenshot. Alright, look at this, me already provide my payment screenshot. Alright, just you need to click file and appeal, then successfully submit this appeal. Alright, me already click here file and appeal. Wait, look at this, already appeal done. Just click here progress and show Binance comments. Look at this, Binance support comments, follow all a step. If you need any more proof option here, just click provide more info, then show again description plus button and give your more payment video proof, transaction statement,